Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Real's Kitchen. Today we're gonna show you, if not the best, the super moist banana chocolate butterscotch bread recipe you'll ever find. This is gonna be a quick video and then it's super easy to make, so let's hop on right away and let's start baking. First, you need to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So to begin, we need like 3 bananas. You can mash your bananas or we can blend it. I like to blend it or food process it so you have more like less chunky consistency and a little bit liquidy. After that, we're gonna move on to our mixer. If you don't have a mixer, that's all right. You can do it by hand. Just get like a whisk in your bowl and add your 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup oil. Mix it all together until well incorporated, and then next add your egg till well mixed, and then next up 1/2 cup buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, that's okay, you can use regular milk. And then once everything's mixed together, we're gonna add on your dry ingredients. You need 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix it all together in one bowl and then slowly add into your batter. Once everything is well incorporated, we would like to add your mashed bananas. This one, you don't have to overmix it, just like fold it. Next, we're gonna add our butterscotch chips and our chocolate chips. You can also add walnuts. It's optional, but I like some different texture and flavor to it, so I'm adding walnuts to it if you're allergic. Can't tell everything. So we're just gonna blend all together. Don't overmix it, just fold it and voila, that's your banana bread batter. Next, we're gonna put it in our loaf pan. Make sure to spray and line your loaf pan and then bake it for 350 degrees Fahrenheit we start off with 30 minutes. If it's not done yet, we can put it back in and then do the toothpick test. If your toothpick comes out clean, and it's done. So we added 15 more minutes on top of the 30 baking time, but our bread is not done yet. So when you start seeing your bread like turning brown on the top, don't worry, just put a foil on top and then pop it back in the oven and add more minutes until the middle part is fully baked. Now our bread is ready. Do your toothpick test. If it comes out clean, transfer it to your cooling rack. Cool it down for 15 minutes, then slice and serve. Voila! Your super moist, super delicious banana butterscotch chocolate bread. So if you guys like this episode, like, share, subscribe, all 3. Okay? See you next episode. Bye!